कौन है ये जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा? Who is he?
This is exactly the emotion I want to replicate, which is why I am trying out 2 of Kareena Kapoor, the most iconic Bollywood diva's makeup looks today. This look pretty much sums up every young girl's ideal of the ultimate queen bee, and the makeup look is definitely a product of its times. Starting this look off with my foundation and concealer already in place, I'm reaching out for a pink blush to give me that classic fat, pretty hot and tempting flush of color in the cheeks. Just like our reference icon, I'm placing the color on the cheekbones and a bit on the nose as well. In spite of the radiant glow that Pooh emits, this look is surprisingly matte on the cheeks, so I'm giving any highlighter a skip. Moving on to the eyes, over a wash of the very 2000s pale pink eyeshadow, I'm lining the top and bottom waterline with kajal. This look would be totally incomplete without super fluttery and highly voluminous lashes. So expect some mascara overload. Finally, the staple 2000s Bollywood lip. Lip liner, check. Pale pink lipstick, check. And shimmery lip gloss on top, super check.
You are my Sonia.
This classic nude yet bold look is Kareena's staple on every red carpet and magazine cover, and today I'll be showing you how you can nail this too. I'm starting with my foundation and concealer already on and moving right onto the cheeks. The cheekbones are as sharp as a knife using this draping technique. All you need is a blush. I'm using a reddish one for this look. Back it up with some bronzer right near your ear under the cheekbones. This eye look starts with a wash of brown and warmer shadows. And now we see the modern and upgraded version of Kareena Kapoor's iconic kajal. The lines are much sharper on top, and right in the waterline, a lighter eye pencil is used so the eyes look much bigger. Mascara is like a holy grail and we definitely can't cast it aside. We are getting to the lip, and the nude lip here completes the look rather than being washed out. I'd actually say I love the most subtle part of this look the most. The Glamorous Giveaway is on, and 3 lucky winners have a chance to win amazing beauty goodies curated by us at Glamrs. Let us know which iconic Bollywood divas makeup looks we should break down next. And here are last week's lucky winners. To find out if you've won, come back right here on YouTube next Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to stay in the loop. Also, don't forget to check out our amazing range of skincare products on glamrs.com, Amazon or the Purple app. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.